How to draw Pandy Paws. To begin making Pandy Paws, we're going to make a big U-like shape in the middle of the page. Next, we're going to draw her ears. To draw her ears, we're going to start at the top of the U-like shape that we made, and we're going to make a curved line that comes down. Next, we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Then we're going to connect the two ears by drawing a line going across. Great job! Now we're going to finish making the ears by drawing one triangle inside of each ear. Next, we're going to add some detail to the right ear by drawing a line going diagonal. Next, we're going to draw her eyes. We're going to draw a big circle on the left side for her left eye. And then we're going to draw another big circle on the right side for her right eye. Then we're going to finish drawing her eyes. We're going to draw a smaller circle inside of the one we just made, and we're going to leave a small part of it white while coloring in the rest black. Great job on the right eye! Now we're going to do the same thing for the left eye. Don't forget to stick around until the end so that you can color in your drawing with us. For the next step, we're going to draw her mouth. We're going to draw a small heart right here for her nose. Then we're going to draw two curved lines, one going towards the right and one going towards the left. These will come off of the middle of the nose. After that, we're going to draw a U-like shape from one side of the mouth to the other. To finish drawing her mouth, we're going to draw a small M-like shape inside of the U we just drew. This will be for her tongue. Next, we're going to draw a circle going around the bottom part of her face right here. This will be for detail for when we color her in. Great job learning how to draw Hub Crew. Our Pandy Paws is coming along great. But first we have to draw her whiskers before we can be done drawing her face. We're going to draw two whiskers on the right side, one right here on the top, and then one more below it. Then we're going to draw two whiskers on the left side as well. Now that we're all done drawing the face, I'm going to take a few seconds to pause so that you can catch up if you need to. Great, now I hope everyone is caught up. We're going to start drawing her body now. The first part of her body we're going to draw is her right arm. We're going to draw a little bit of detail on her right paw. We're going to draw 3 small circles on the outside, and then we're going to draw a heart below those circles. Inside of this heart, we're going to draw another little small heart. Next, we're going to start drawing the rest of her body. We're going to draw a line going straight down from her arm that we just made, and this will be the right side of her torso. We're going to start at the bottom of the right side of the torso we just made, and we're going to draw her right leg and foot coming off of it. At the bottom of her leg, we're going to draw a straight line going across. This will be for her foot when we color it in. For the next step, we're going to draw Pandy Paws' purse. We're going to draw a diagonal line going across her body, starting at her right shoulder. Then we're going to draw a similar line directly below it. This will be for the strap of her purse. Then we're going to draw the bag part of her purse. To do this, we're going to draw a line coming off of the bottom part of the strap that we drew. Then we're going to draw a square-like shape, but on the top, we're going to draw 2 bumps. Now that we're all done drawing the outline of her purse, we're going to draw stripes on it. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, your drawing's coming along great! Next, we're going to draw the left side of the body. We're going to start by drawing her left arm right here. We're going to draw her left arm the same way that we drew her right arm. It's just going to be on a different side. We're going to draw a straight line coming down from her left arm to her purse. This will be for the left side of her torso. Then we're going to go back to her left paw and we're going to add some details, just like we did for her right paw. We're going to add 3 small circles and then a heart shape underneath it. Then we're going to add a small little heart inside of the one that we drew. Then we're going to draw a straight line going across each paw underneath the heart shapes that we drew. Then we're going to draw her left leg. We're going to start underneath the purse and draw her left foot, and then we're going to bring it upwards, and then we're going to connect the 2 legs together. Next, we're going to add Pandy Paws' tail. Great job, we're almost done. But first, we're going to add a circle in the middle of Pandy Paws' belly. Then we're going to add a small X near the bottom for her belly button. This is how to draw Pandy Paws. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Now let's color in our drawing together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.